Hey guys, it's Cody with Homestead. Today I'm bringing you a super quick video on how to prime your Berkey charcoal filter. It's really quick, so we'll get right to it. So first, we're gonna take everything off of the little threads here. Take our wing nut off. Take our rubber washer off. Boom. Now we're gonna take our rubber gasket here, and we're just gonna thread that on so that it is flush with the top. All right, and this is important. You want this to be flush, see? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the water running nice and slow, and then we are going to push this rubber piece up against this so that the water flows into this hole right here. Okay, and it's gonna be completely normal for water to push out, spray us, stuff like that. But you're gonna notice that the charcoal filter will start to sweat, and we have to do that for 60 seconds. So let's go ahead and get it going. You want the water nice and calm. So I try to use a grip that's kind of like this, and that seems to be like a power move. All right, so you notice here that the charcoal filter is now starting to sweat. So we're gonna run this for 60 seconds like this. I'll cut right back when we're done. All right, and that's all there is to it. You notice this thing is, the charcoal filter is nice and wet, but a really good tell that you did it right is your filter will be heavy. When the filter doesn't have water in it and it hasn't been primed, it's going to be really light feeling. This filter is now, like, I would say at least twice the weight from the water, so we know we did it right. But anyways, guys, that's all there is to it, and I hope that video helped you out. And if it did help you out, please drop the like and subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know, and I really appreciate it. It helps us get out in front of people and help the video help other people. But anyways, it's been Cody with Homestead, out here.